Hi everyone, my name is Tejasvi. I'm a partner solution architect from AWS. Joining me, we have Christy from IBM. Christy, please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Christia and I'm a technical sales specialist at IBM.
So Christy, with many customers who are building GenAI applications, how and why is observability so important for foundational models?
So when using foundation models to enhance your applications, understanding their performance can become critical. You need visibility into model performance, token usage patterns, cost and efficiency, and even API response time. So by gathering and correlating all of this information with business outcomes, you can actually make informed decisions about your AI implementation.
All right. So what exactly is LLM observability?
Sure, so LLM observability involves collecting and analyzing data to assess an LLM's performance and behavior. So this data helps improve performance, detect biases, diagnose issues, and just ensure reliable AI outcomes.
And what types of observability data should organizations monitor?
Yeah, so there are three different types of data. First is metrics, which is a quantitative measure of performance such as accuracy, latency, and throughput. Then you have traces, which tracks individual LLM task execution, so helping identify bottlenecks and diagnose issues as well. And then third, you have logs, which provide details about input and output, such as prompts given to the LLM and then the responses generated.
And what are the benefits that come from implementing LLM observability?
Yeah, so the main benefit includes monitoring model latency, tracking input and output token counts, identifying bottlenecks, improving cost efficiency, and also just ensuring scalability under increasing workloads.
Nice. Okay. So how does Instana architecture provide GenAI observability?
So the architecture combines Instana, Traceloop, and OpenTelemetry to monitor those GenAI applications. And Traceloop's instrumentation actually captures traces, logs, and metrics, just providing visibility into your AI interactions.
And how does it integrate with Amazon Bedrock?
So Instana's integration with Amazon Bedrock helps you monitor AI-driven workloads with real-time metrics and distributed tracing. So using Instana's OpenTelemetry capabilities and Traceloop's OpenLLMetry, you can actually monitor LLM deployments effectively.
And what are key performance indicators that we can track with this integration?
So you can track model latency, token and cost usage, API request volumes. You can also trace the entire request lifecycle, so to find the performance bottlenecks or failures using distributed tracing capabilities for Amazon Bedrock model API calls.
Right. So let's explore deployment options. What is an agent mode? Can you explain us?
Sure. So in agent mode, Traceloop sends traces and logs to the Instana agent first, which then forwards them to the Instana backend. So the agent also collects metrics from LLM OTel data collector, and then providing insights into model usage and token consumption as well as costs.
So the customer installs an agent in their environment as a central collection point before sending the data to IBM's environment.
Exactly. So for example, if you have an application running in AWS, you'd install the OpenTelemetry library in your application, and then this exports data to your Instana agent, typically on an EC2 instance.
Right. And what happens after the agent collects this data?
So the agent then forwards these traces and metrics to your Instana SaaS backend, and it processes this information and provides comprehensive metrics on model performance, token usage, cost, etc. And for an AI agent using Amazon Bedrock, you can see how your application performance actually relates to your Bedrock performance all in one place.
Nice. So what happens with agentless mode here?
So in the agentless mode, you actually don't need to install Instana agents in your environment. So the information from your applications and Amazon Bedrock flows directly from the OpenTelemetry collector to your Instana environment.
Okay. So, how does this work in practice?
Yeah, so the setup is, pretty similar. You have an AWS environment with applications that use Amazon Bedrock, and you still need the OpenTelemetry agent as part of your application, but there's just no need for a separate Instana agent.
Okay, and where does the data go in this case?
So the information flows from the OpenTelemetry collectors directly to your Instana SaaS backend, which then processes the data and builds your dashboards.
All right. Are there any limitations with agentless mode?
So with the agentless mode, you won't receive the intelligent automated actions from your Instana tenant. But for those capabilities, agent-based installation is actually a better option.
Nice. Thank you, Christy, for explaining us IBM Instana for Amazon Bedrock. This has been great, and thank you for joining.